Quick micro story to kick us off. A client built a beautiful pricing calculator. It got embedded across 3 partner blogs, drove steady referral clicks, but the original site saw 0 organic credit. The embeds lived everywhere. Search visibility lived nowhere. That right there is the problem we fix today. Stakes, lost leads, wasted engineering, and a whole channel that looks successful but doesn't compound in search. All right, let's dig in.
Let's dive in. Today, we'll walk through 5 embed-first rules and give you one immediate task per rule so you can make measurable progress this week. If you publish calculators, quizzes, or widgets, this episode is for founders, product people, growth marketers, and engineers who need those embeds to be discoverable and linkable.
Rule 1. Pick a canonical home and a permalink strategy. Decide where the tool legitimately lives for search. If it's your core IP, give it a dedicated URL on your domain, example.com/tools/pricing calculator. Also, add an embed attribution pattern so partners know how to credit you. Immediate task: pick or create a canonical URL today and add a visible embed credit line in the embed code or documentation so partners see it when they paste the snippet.
Rule 2. Publish an indexable summary plus JSON LD. You can't expect crawlers to execute complex client JavaScript every time. Create a 50 to 120-word answer-first summary that explains the tool's output, what results it gives, and why it matters, and add structured data so search engines surface the result. Immediate task: write a 50 to 120-word result summary for one tool and add matching JSON LD on that canonical page. Most definitely validate it in your staging environment.
Rule 3. Provide embed fallbacks or server-rendered previews. Instead of a JS-only iframe that renders nothing to bots, expose a lightweight HTML preview or a no-script snapshot that shows the tool's output. That gives crawlers and low JS environments something indexable without huge server costs. Immediate task: add a static preview endpoint or a no-script fallback for one widget. Even a simple snapshot image plus the summary text will help.
Rule 4. Offer shareable data endpoints and linkable snippets. Build an embeddable snippet that includes a canonical backlink and a UTM template, so partner embeds actually point credit back to you. Don't rely on partners to invent the link. Give them the link in the snippet and brief usage copy. Immediate task: create a simple embed snippet for your top widget that inserts a canonical backlink and a UTM-friendly attribution parameter.
Rule 5. Measure embeds with privacy-first instrumentation. Instead of logging every click with PII, aggregate embed calls, use hash tokens for partner attribution, and capture an embed usage event that ties into your CRM or analytics. That gives you lead signals without exposing identities. Immediate task: add an aggregated embed usage event and a hash token parameter so you can count and attribute installs or leads from distributed embeds.
A quick mini case. When we moved a client's configurator into a canonical home, added a 100-word indexable summary, and provided a static preview, organic discoverability grew within weeks. The trade-offs? Hosting previews at scale can add cost, and partners sometimes strip attribution links. So we prioritize lightweight previews and a single high-value widget first.
Exactly. When to host versus let partners host comes down to control and SEO value. If you host the canonical and keep the metadata, use centralized search equity. If partners host, make the embed snippet insists on the backlink and provide an easy copy that includes it. Also, be realistic about engineering scope. Pick the biggest win and pilot it.
Tools and examples will link in the show notes. A one-page embed SEO checklist, a sample embed HTML snippet with a canonical backlink, a JSON LD example for result summaries, and a tiny script to generate hashed partner tokens. Use those assets to speed up implementation. Immediate task for listeners: check the show notes and copy the checklist into your project board.
If you want help, ThinkIt Media can audit your embed pipeline, identify which widgets to prioritize, and deliver a lightweight preview plus JSON LD pilot. We'll scope the engineering cost, suggest partner messaging templates, and validate canonical rules so you avoid duplication. That's the practical path from distributed embeds to owned search equity.
Before we close, one immediate task to run today: publish a 50 to 120 word indexable summary page for your top embedded tool and add JSON LD to it. That single step often unlocks visibility right away.
If this helped, subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. We'll keep sending practical, testable tactics like this. And if you want to focus on it, reach out and we'll walk your team through the checklist. All right, let's talk about this.